Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to talk about the face recognition support on the MSI laptops. So let's see if the face recognition, the Windows Hello, I will believe it's called like this, is available on this laptop. So to find it, you can just search for it in your search bar, set up face sign in, and unfortunately the MSI Stealth 15N doesn't have this feature, doesn't have the camera compatible with the Windows Hello Face. I would say that it is possible to buy one that is compatible, but you would have to check if that's true and do your own research before buying a laptop if you want to use this feature, and just search, read some forums like Reddit about it. And the most important thing, just do your own research about that. And I believe we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.